Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a very special watch for you. We have a Stowa electric watch from the 80s. As you can see, it is in very good condition. It is electric. You also find these kind of electric watches from Timex. So they are actually powered by a battery and they are quite accurate given their age. If you are interested in this watch or any other watches from our YouTube channel, make sure to check them out on vintageradar.com, link in the description below. So as you can see guys, very beautiful movement. If you only saw this small wheel, you would actually think it was a mechanical watch, but as you can see, it is powered by a quartz movement. So you can think of it as a hybrid. It has this small mechanical type part and it uses the quartz frequencies in order to regulate it and to make sure that these seconds go actually one by one. So this is a very cool and interesting piece. As you can see, the watch is in pristine condition. We had the new watch crystal installed. We wanted to keep it domed, so as you can see, it is pretty thick, but nonetheless it gives it a very cool and vintage look from the 80s or even 70s, because all these vintage watches use domed acrylic crystals, so you have that. So that was the video guys. In case you like this kind of videos and you want to see more vintage watches here on the channel, make sure to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment below, and also check out our website, link in the description below, vintageradar.com. Thank you guys and see you on the next one.